Hello guys, welcome back once again. So today we are looking at this question equation. We have x squared minus 2 or into bracket exponent 2 is equal to x plus 2. Okay, so we are supposed to find all the root of x in this equation. And please, if today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more exciting and tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So, from here, we know that in algebra, a minus b all squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so we are going to transform this side to look like this identity. Okay, so by doing this, we have x squared. Now this is our a and this is our b. So we have x squared, okay, minus, so our a is going to be squared. Okay, so our a is already x squared and this a is squared, so x squared bracket squared, okay, times x squared times 2 this, okay, plus b, which is this. So b is 2 is 2 squared, which is equal to x plus 2. So let's simplify things out. So this one will give us x exponent 4 minus this one will be 4x squared plus 4, and it's equal to x plus 2. Like it. So we have x squared, x exponent 4 minus 4x squared plus 4 minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So from here, we have x exponent 4 minus 4x squared, then minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, now this and this, we can say that x squared out bracket x squared, because x squared times x squared, we are going to get x exponent 4 back. Okay, minus 4 all into bracket, then minus into bracket x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so here we can still simplify things out here. We have x squared into bracket x squared minus 2 squared, that is the 4 here, minus into brackets x minus 2 and it's equal to 0. Now let's repeat using the identity from algebra. We have a squared minus b squared. We're going to get a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so we are going to use this identity to solve for this one in the bracket. Okay, so we are going to get x squared into bracket this one. We are going to get x plus 2 and then x minus 2. Okay, then our third term, which is x minus 2, and it's equal to 0. Now looking at this, we have some common terms here. We have x minus 2 here and x minus 2 there too. So we are going to get x minus 2 outside, then bracket open, square bracket. We have x squared into bracket x plus 2 and then minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here, we have x minus 2 to bracket, then x times x squared times x, we are getting x cubed, then x squared times 2, we are getting plus 2x squared, and then our negative 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here, take zeros of equations, we get x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x exponent 3 plus 2x squared minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here, we have x is equal to 2 as one solution for x. Now let's continue with this. So from here, we have this one. So you can get x exponent 3 plus 2 exponent x squared. Now this negative one we can create and destroy. So minus 1. Let us create and destroy by adding 1 and subtracting 1. So plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So with this, we can say that x exponent 3 plus 2x squared. Now this and this give us negative 2. Okay, so negative 2, then yes, so negative 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so from here we say that x is 3 plus 1 plus 2 exponent 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So this one we are going to get x exponent 3 plus 1 exponent 3. And don't forget, 1 exponent 3 is the same as 1. Okay. So 1 exponent 3 plus 2 exponent x squared minus 2 is equal to 0. And then in algebra, this identity a exponent 3 plus b exponent 3, you're going to get a plus b into bracket a squared minus ab plus b squared. So we are going to make use of this identity. So our equation now becomes, so we have x plus 1 to 1 bracket, then we have x squared minus x plus 1. Okay, then our this term, which is plus 2 into bracket x squared minus 1. When you factorize this, which is equal to 0. Okay, so looking at this thing here, okay, we can also develop another one, which is a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so we are going to apply this one to here. So we have x plus 1 bracket x squared minus x plus 1, then plus 2 into bracket. This one, when you can be 1 squared. Okay, 1 squared is the same as 1. So 2 into bracket, we have x minus 1, then x plus 1. And it is equal to 0. Now, looking at these terms, you can see that this we have x plus 1 in common, x plus 1 in common. So we can factorize x plus 1 out, and then to a square bracket, we have x squared minus x plus 1 bracket close, then plus 2 x minus 1 bracket close, and it's equal to 0. Okay, so we are going to get x plus 1 to bracket, then bracket open. Let's try to sum up this here. We have x squared minus x plus 1 plus 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, x plus 1 bracket is equal to 0, and then we have x squared minus x plus 1 plus 2x minus 2 is also equal to 0. So from here we have x is equal to negative 1, as one answer. Okay, now so we have, let's simplify. We have x squared, this and this, we get plus x, then this, which is minus 1, is equal to 0. So from here, our a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, and c is equal to -1. So our x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So our x is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of 1 squared minus 4 is bracket 1, -1 all over 2 bracket 1. So our x is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of 5, okay, all of 2. So with this, we have two values of x. So we have x is equal to -1 plus square root of 5, 2, and then s is equal to -1 minus square root of 5 on 2. Okay, so our answer, or the root of x for the equation, we have 1, which is x is equal to 2. We have x is equal to -1. We have x is equal to, which is -1 plus square root of 5 all over 2. And then we have x is equal to -1 minus square root of 5 on 2. So these are the solution or the root of the equation of x. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.